Hello friends, hi children. Today I'm back to do Christmas cookies with you. Since we are under lockdown, we cannot make together, but I hope you will make it at home with your people at home and enjoy eating it. Let's start doing now. These are the ingredients. We need butter, powdered sugar, maida, salt, choco-chip, and cocoa powder. I'm going to take the butter now. This is at room temperature. I've taken 1 cup of butter. I'm using the hand mixer so that everyone will have it and it will be easy for you to use. Just beat it till it looks creamy. Only if it is at room temperature, it will be easy for you to make. Creamy now. Now I'm mixing the powdered sugar. The sugar granules I took and I powdered it in the mixie. You don't have to necessarily go and buy the powdered sugar. We're mixing both the butter and the sugar. And add a pinch of salt and the essence. Just a teaspoon of essence. I'm not using any baking soda in this recipe. I'm adding 2 cups of maida. We have to mix it till it becomes crumbs. It look like crumbs. You could even use your hands to do this. You can use your hands to knead it. You should not knead it too much like for the chapati. Have to gently do it till everything comes together like a dough. Meanwhile, I'm going to switch on the stove. I'm going to show you how to do it in the stove as well as in the oven. So you have to preheat the whatever you are using. If it is in the oven, you have to heat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for preheat it for 10 minutes. If you're using the stove, you can, I'm using a cooker. Whatever vessels you have, you can use. Any flat bottom vessel you can use. I put some salt in this, and I'm using a stand. What if you don't have a stand? You can use a vessel, any vessel like this. So that there is, the tray you're baking, and the bottom has some space in between. I put a butter paper in this. You can grease it a little bit. Preheat it at high temperature. You can use the gasket, but no need to use the range. You should preheat it at high temperature, and then while baking, you have to lower the temperature at medium temperature. You have to do. So now let's take the vessel and I'm going to divide this into 3 parts to show you how different kinds of cookies. One, this part I'm going to make ordinary cookies. These two I'm going to roll and make a flat cookies. Using the different shapes, using a cutter. So I'm going to use a Ziploc and store it in the fridge for 10 minutes. This for ordinary cookies you're going to make. Just ask your child to measure each ingredient, and then they can roll it like this and just flatten it. Don't press it too hard. Whatever size you need, you can take. Make it very smooth and press it gently so that you don't get the cracks here. These are the plain cookies. Now, if you want to add choco chips to this, you can add a bit of choco chips. and then mix it together. For chocolate chip cookies, you can make many varieties with the same dough. Reheating the oven. So I'm going to make the chocolate chip cookies here. Leave some space in between for the cookies to spread. Otherwise, like everything will join together. In the cookie. Now you have to cook it in the cooker for half an hour. In the oven, it takes 20 minutes. Now it's heated up. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. It's 16 minutes. You can check after like 15 minutes, you can check how it is done. If it is slightly brown, then you can remove it. If the top will be a little white, but the bottom will get little brownish, then you can remove it and allow it to cool. And then when you check, it will be very crisp. When it is hot, it will not be crisp, so you have to cool it down and then check it. If it is slightly brown in the sides and the bottom, then that is the indication that it was cooked. The cooking time varies with different oven and the heat you are keeping in. So you have to check it out. So here, bit of dough here. I'm going to mix the chocolate powder in this. And tablespoon chocolate powder and mixing it for the chocolate cookie. Now I'll show you how to make a little bit of innovative design with this. You can even make normal cookies, chocolate chip cookies like this, or double chocolate cookies. With little bit of chocolate chips on top. And if you want to be a little more innovative, you can do take a small ball of chocolate dough. And the white one. This is like a tart. This is the Christmas season. You can have some decorative innovative things. It will be more fascinating for the children to have colorful ones. If you don't like chocolate, you can even add any flavor or color and make a flowers like this. just explore how children are very good at making balls. They enjoy making balls. They've been making a lot of gulab jamuns and kolkata, so they're very good. They're experts at that. So you can make use of the skill here. It'd be nice to get them involved. Then you can give them as a reward when they have done it. So different designs you can make like this. And this is the dough I put inside the fridge. I'm going to roll it and use this different shape cutters. I'll show you how to do that also. So once that is done, I'm going to bake this one and I'll show you how it comes out. Now I'm going to use the cutter to do the different shapes of cookies. So I've taken the dough that I put it in the fridge. I'm going to spread this to this. I've got a bowl here. I'm going to spread this here. Just put a bit of butter so that it doesn't stick. Just a large so that it doesn't stick to the bowl. Now, I'm using a butter paper on top of that to spread so that it doesn't stick to this roller. This is chapati roller. You have to spread it gently. This can be little thinner, not as thick as it has to be half-inch thick. This can be a little bit thinner. You have to gently roll it. Don't make very thin like chapati. It has to be little, quarter-inch thickness. Now, if you don't have the cutter, no worries. You can use whatever like shapes you have at home or the caps. The star. The diamond. The triangle and the diamond. The drop. You can cut everything like this, and all these the left part ones you can make it into a dough, put it in the fridge for some time, and then again roll it and make it into a shape, or you can even roll it and press it and make the Thank you. Thank you for watching this, and please to try it and give me the feedback how it tasted and how you enjoyed doing it. Thank you.